The case is a historic one, not just simply because it is one of the first cases to be tried under the International Crime Act, but it is also significant in that up to 60 victims, we just heard from just two of the victims' families, one of the victims' families, two parents, but 60 victims were affected by the violence that we saw during the 2017 elections. This cannot be allowed to continue. So we have been observing this case to make sure that there is justice, not just for the victims, but also that a precedent is set that elections should not come with death, trauma, and injuries to tens or hundreds of people. Allow me to read the statement with my colleague from the International Commission of Jurists Kenya, and that's Dimas Kiprono, the Deputy Director. Victims' families, Amnesty International Kenya, the International Commission of Jurists Kenya, Utu Wetu Trust, the International Justice Mission, and the Police Reforms Working Group condemn the dropping of the charges against 8 of the 12 police commanders and officers who were initially included in the original charge case. Today, 4 police officers took plea before the High Court of Kenya for crimes against humanity, including murder, rape, and torture, committed against civilians during the 2017 elections. These charges were laid under the International Crimes Act. The charges include the brutal murder of Baby Samantha Pendo. The plea taking occurred after more than 2 years since the case was first lodged by the Office of the Director of Public Prosecutions in 2022. And it has since seen several repeated adjournments and delays. The latest twist follows no less than 10 applications by the accused police officers, Defense Counsel, and the DPP to defer plea taking against the original 12 officers. Furthermore, and as stated in court, we were shocked to hear that the charge sheet was amended without the involvement of the Independent Policing Oversight Authority, the investigating agency in this case. The charge omits senior police officers who held overall command responsibility during the operations that saw the deaths, rape, and injuries of no less than 60 Kenyans in Kisumu County.